Now let us discuss the condition when the two lines in the general form are parallel or coincident, or the two lines in the general form are perpendicular. Okay. So what the result will be? Now let the given lines be a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Now let theta be the angle between the lines, then tan theta is equal to a2b1 minus a1b2 upon a1a2 plus b1b2. Now number 1, when lines are parallel, then theta will be 0 or 180 degree. Okay. And number 2, or we can write it, then tan theta is equal to tan 0 or tan theta is equal to tan 180 degree, and this we can go for cot also. Okay. Also when lines are coincident, then theta is equal to 0 or tan theta is equal to tan 0, because parallel lines are also called coincident lines. If we are having a line overlapping the same line, we are saying that these are the parallel lines. Okay. And the term is coincidence lines. Okay. So same formula for both the parts, for these parallel and coincidence. Now here we are having tan theta is equal to a2b1 minus a1b2 upon a1a2 plus b1b2. Now this becomes a2b1 minus a1b2 upon a1a2 plus b1b2 is equal to 0. Okay. And this gives, I am solving this one, what we are having, a2b1 minus a1b2 is equal to 0 if and only if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. So this is the condition for parallel lines or coincident lines. Okay. For this part. Now number 2, perpendicularity. So first was for parallel and coincidence lines. Now for the perpendicularity, the two lines are perpendicular when theta is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now tan theta is equal to tan 90 degree. Now when tan 90 degree, we are knowing that tan 90 degree basically is what? That is undefined thing. Okay. So, what we are writing for it? Denominator becomes 0. Okay. Now, tan 90 degree is equal to A2 B1 minus A1 B2 upon A1 A2 plus B1 B2. Now, for undefined, we know denominator is equal to 0. Remember this thing, denominator is equal to 0. Therefore, what we can write it? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equal to 0, or we can write it if and only if A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is equal to 0. So, this is condition for the parallel line.